Here's the brutal truth nobody talks about. We've been fed this toxic lie that purpose is something you discover, like it's buried treasure waiting to be found. But what if I told you that every successful person you admire didn't find their purpose, they built it? So stop waiting for your life's purpose to magically appear, because while you're sitting there scrolling through TikTok at 2 a.m. questioning your existence, millions of people are literally creating their purpose from scratch, and you're about to find out exactly how they're doing it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact self-innovation framework that transforms existential dread into unstoppable momentum, and why waiting for clarity is literally the biggest mistake you can make in your 20s. If you're ready to completely transform how you think about success and purpose, like and subscribe, because I'm dropping more reality checks like this every week. Look, I get it. You're probably watching this because you're stuck in that weird limbo where everyone keeps asking, what do you want to do with your life? And you're like, I don't know, survive, maybe buy groceries without checking my bank account. The whole find your passion advice feels like telling someone to find a unicorn. Here's the mind-bending truth that changed everything for me. Purpose isn't discovered, it's engineered. Think about it. Steve Jobs didn't wake up one day knowing he'd revolutionize technology. Oprah didn't discover she was meant for the media. They started with curiosity, took action, and their purpose emerged from what they built. That's self-innovation. So here's how you flip the script. Instead of asking, what's my purpose? Start asking, what can I build today? Your purpose isn't hiding somewhere, it's waiting to be constructed through your actions, experiments, and yes, even your failures. Every small project, every weird hobby, every random skill you pick up is literally building blocks of your future purpose. I want you to think about this. What's one tiny experiment you could start this week? Maybe it's learning a new skill on YouTube, starting a weird creative project, or reaching out to someone whose career fascinates you. Drop it in the comments, because your random idea might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Remember, your life's purpose isn't a treasure hunt. It's a construction project. Stop waiting for permission from the universe and start building. Self-innovation means you become the architect of your own meaning. And that's honestly the most powerful realization you can ever have.